sip my Coca-Cola. You got me feeling low. La vida, better with cocaine. We laughing like hyena. It got me like Fiesta. It got me feeling loco, and now I'm like, Bacardi, tastes better on your body. So tell me that you want me, and we can get high. Fiesta. It got me feeling wild. This week's from California. It might just creep up on ya, and we'll be fucking Fiesta.
Hi everyone, today's dance is called Fiesta. It's a second to count full wall beginner level dance. Let me face in the back wall. First, we start the right foot, we're gonna move to the right. 3 steps side to the other side. So you're gonna side together, side, and then on both of your right foot, you're gonna make a heel turn right, and then with the left foot touch next. And then similar side together side, but move to the left. So left foot, side, together, side. Touch. Okay, let's do this section this time. So start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the second section, you start with the right foot. Do one rocking chair from center back, center. And after this one, first we make a pivot heel turn left. So start with the right foot, step, heel turn. And after this one, keep turning left. This time with a quarter turn left. So pivot quarter turn. So right foot, step, quarter. So right now you're facing your 9 o'clock wall. Okay, like this section is cut. So after your first section, heel turn, and then side, together, side, touch. Start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the third section, we're gonna move diagonally. First to the right corner. So you start with the right foot, do the forward together, and then right foot, sharp forward. And then repeat to the left corner, forward together, sharp forward step. Okay, let's do this section is cut. So after you 2 pivot turn, and then we start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then the final section, we start with the right foot. First have the right foot rock forward, recover. And then we're gonna make a shuffle with the heel turn right. So you do the quarter together, quarter. Right now you're facing your 3 o'clock wall. And then we need to do another shuffle with the heel turn. This time start with the left foot. You do the quarter together, quarter turn. So right now you're back to your 9 o'clock wall again. And after this one, have a right foot step back. Also hitch your left knee and then left foot cross. Okay, let's do this section with time. So we start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's put everything together by the touch. So start with the right foot, side, together, side, and then touch with the heel turn right, and then first side, together, side, touch, right foot, rock, king, chair, and pivot heel turn, step, heel turn, and pivot quarter to left, step, quarter, and diagonal, forward, together, sharp, forward, step, corner, forward, together, sharp, forward, step, right foot, rock, recover.